Good afternoon, it's Rob Hayward from Stratford, Triumph and Honda. Exciting times here in that we're looking for qualified motorcycle technicians. If you or you know anybody that'd be interested, it's definitely a good time to reach out. And here's a couple of reasons why. We're looking at the minute to put a rotor on at the moment, working Monday through to Friday, which is a first for us. And I think looking at the market at the moment, that will be one of the only motorbike shops where you as a technician actually have Saturdays and Sundays off, which I think it's fair to say is pretty exciting. Also, I'm also looking for somebody that may be a qualified technician already that fancies actually flexible hours. So if you're a guy that's been in the job for a few years and you would like to work maybe 3 or 4 days a week, there's definitely an opportunity for you to come and have a chat with me. Why come and work for us at Triumph Stratford? Well, the site's awesome. It's a brand new facility, as you can see for having a look around with the camera with Carl right now. We've been here now for 4 years, and I have to say it's been a very exciting period. We've seen lots of growth in terms of bike sales and also lots of new customers coming over here because the facility is absolutely fantastic. State of the art. Our workshop has 6 ramps, and obviously there's an opportunity right now for you to come and have a chat. So what I'd ask you to do is please either message me directly, you'll get me here at Stratford, Triumph or Honda, or reach out through the link below on our website. Really appreciate it. So motorcycle technicians, flexible working hours we could consider and have a chat, but also a big thing I just want to finally point out is Monday to Friday. Who's doing that? Well, we'll probably be the first in the bike industry for a long time, so reach out, let's have a chat. Thank you.